friends, welcome to the NewsQueen YouTube channel. Here are some model questions for you. GK current affairs and aptitude questions for your NORCET examinations. There are some model for you. It will be very useful for your examination. Please do mock test for your coming examination, and whatever you studied already, that portions you have to read again. So we can go to the screen.
Dear friends, we can discuss here COVID-19 current affairs and some model general knowledge. You can expect this type of general knowledge in your coming examination. Now set, who has been chosen in awareness campaign run by WHO against COVID? That is Indian football captain Sunil Chhetri, who has been chosen in awareness campaign run by WHO against COVID. India football captain Sunil Chhetri. India's biggest hospital to treat coronavirus constructed at which state? Odisha. Big hospital constructed in Odisha to treat against COVID-19. Which city uses drones for cleaning during corona outbreak? Indore. Indore city uses drones for cleaning against coronavirus. Currently, at which country maximum people died due to COVID-19? Currently, Americans people died due to COVID-19, maximum people. Next, on which date Janata curfew was imposed in India? 22nd March 2020. Janata curfew was imposed on 22nd March. Reliance opened a hospital dedicated to COVID-19 in which city? Mumbai. Reliance opened a hospital dedicated to COVID-19 in Mumbai. Tokyo Olympics has been cancelled how many years due to COVID? 1 year. Tokyo Olympics has been cancelled 1 year due to COVID. Drug that can prevent the cytokine release syndrome seen in COVID. Tocilizumab. Drug that can prevent the cytokine release syndrome seen in COVID, that is tocilizumab. Coronavirus is related to two disease names, that is SARS and MERS. Coronavirus related to SARS and MERS. When India government coronavirus lockdown phase 1. Lockdown phase 1 was 25th March 2020 to 14th April 2020. Indian government announces coronavirus lockdown phase 1, that is 25th March 2020 to 14th April 2020, that is 21 days. First phase was 21 days. Then phase 2 19 days. Phase 3 14 days. Total 54 days. Question can ask, phase 2 19 days. Phase 3 14 days. Total 54 days. Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, how many lakh crores announced the relief package for poor laborers? 1.7 lakh crore. Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, how many lakh crores announced relief package for poor laborers? 1.7 lakh crore. Here we can discuss some GK. The famous brackish water lagoon lake of India is Chilka Lake in Odisha. The famous brackish water lagoon lake of India is Chilka Lake in Odisha. Longest river in India, Ganga. That is 2525 km. Longest river in India, Ganga, 2525 km. Which is the longest tributary river of India? Yamuna is the longest tributary river of India. Yamuna is the longest tributary river of India. This type of questions you can expect. Which is the longest river of South India? Godavari is the longest river of South India. Godavari is the longest river of South India. Which is the largest river island of India? Majuli is the largest river island of India. Majuli is the largest river island of India? How many states and union territories are there in India? There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India at present. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India at present. Which union territories was merged in January 2020? Daman and Diu is merged with Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Which union territories was merged in January 2020? Daman and Diu is merged with Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Which state has been bifurcated to make union territories? You all know that Jammu and Kashmir is bifurcated into Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh union territories. So Jammu and Kashmir, that was a state in January. It is bifurcated into Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh union territories, 3 union territories. Which is the largest state of India by population wise? Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India by population wise. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India by population wise. Which is the largest state of India in terms of area? Rajasthan is the largest state of India in terms of area. Rajasthan is the largest state of India in terms of area. Which is the least populous state of India? Sikkim is the least populous state of India. Sikkim is the least populous state of India. Which is the largest union territory of India by area wise? Jammu and Kashmir, the newly constituted union territory, is the largest. Jammu and Kashmir, the newly constituted union territory, is the largest. Dear friends, here are some aptitude model questions for you. 5 questions. Find the missing numbers from given responses. 5, 9, 13, 17, 25. Here we can simply calculate this. 4 is adding 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21. 21 is the correct answer. Next question. BMO, CNB, DOQ. What is the next? That is the option. Here you can see one letter is adding B, C, D. Then M, N, O. Then O, P, Q. So next letter D, E, E, P, E, P, R is the next option. So EPR is the correct answer. Third question. 410, 521, 632. A particular number you can add from 410, you will get 521, then 632. You can do one thing. You can minus 632, 521, and 521, 410, you will get a number. If you minus 632, 521, you will get 111. So you can add 632 plus 111, you will get 743. So 743 is the correct answer. 743, you will get 743 is the correct answer. Next question. If the letters in ACE are coded as 135 and in BAD are coded as 214, then how can BED be coded? So you can write, you have a paper, you can write like this: ACE BED. That is the answer. BED, you can write like this. B, in the place of B, 2 is there, so you can write 2. Then in the place of E, 5 is there, you can write 5. In the place of D, 4 is there, 4, you can write 4. So answer is 254. 254 is the answer. So that is the answer. Next question. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. A particular number is adding. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 plus 5, 13. So a particular number. 2 is adding. So again you have to add 7. Here 5 plus 3, 8. Again 8 plus 5, 13. So 2 is adding. Again 13 plus 7. Correct answer is 20. 20 is the correct answer. So like this question you can expect. You can write easily and score mark. So we discussed some current affairs, GK and aptitude questions for your examination. This type of model questions you can do for your examinations, and this will be useful for your NORCET AIMS examination. If you are new here, please subscribe and like and share this video to your friends. Thank you for listening. All the best.